We can handle all online courses, business and management, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management.
Welcome to my YouTube channel IT Guides. In today's session, we are tackling chapter 10 of recently launched Excel 2022 course. Title of assignment is XP22 Excel Chapter 10 Cumulative Assessment Movie Rentals. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can get done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for help in assignments, exams, quizzes, or complete course. Don't hesitate to connect for support in various courses. Let's start this assignment and solve step by step. You can see your project description here to get idea about your assignment. Moving to the first step, that is about start Excel, download and open the file name XP22 Excel Chapter 10 Cumulative Assessment Movie Rentals XLX. Graded has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. In this step, basically, we have to just download and open the file XP22 Excel Chapter 10 Cumulative Assessment Movie Rentals. You can download this file from IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded and opened this file. So move to the next step, that is step number 2. Step number 2 is about use get and transform data Power Query editor to load the file E10C2 movies text file to the existing worksheet. Starting in cell A1, load the information to the worksheet and select add this data to the data model. Note, on the data tab in the get and transform data group, click get data and then click launch Power Query editor. In the Power Query editor in the new query group, click new source, point to the file and then click text CSV. In the Power Query editor in the close group, click close and load, then select close and load to import dialog box, select existing worksheet and add this data to the data model. Basically, in this step, we have to just import the movie's text file by using get and transform tab, and we have ensured that our data should be added to the data model. Go to the Excel worksheet. We have to import the text file, so go to the data tab. In get and transform group, select file and then select text file. We have to open the folder where our file is stored. So we will open our file and select the movies file. Import it. Load it. And then add this data to the data model. Step number 1 is complete. Now move to the step number 2 is completed. Now move to the next step, that is step number 3. Step number 3 is rename the worksheet movies. It's about just rename the worksheet with the name movies. So we will select this, go to the Excel worksheet. Now here we have to just give the new name of this sheet, that is movies. So do right click on it and select the rename. We will write here movies. It's our new name for this worksheet. Move to the next step, that is step number 4. Step number 4 is about use get and transform data Power Query editor to load the account table from the XML file E10C2 context XML into a new worksheet. Load the information to a new worksheet and select add this data to the data model. In this step, we have to just load the account table from E10C2 context XML file. Then we have to ensure that our data should be added to the data model. Go to the Excel worksheet. Now we have to import the data from the XML file. Go to the data tab. We will select the file and select XML. We have to select this context file and then select the account table from this file. Close and load it. We have to ensure that our data should be added to the data model. So go to the query tab and load it to the data model. We will check this box, that is add this data to the data model, load it. Step number 4 is completed. Now move to the next step, that is step number 5. Step number 5 is just about rename the worksheet with contacts. So we have to give the new name, that is contact. We will rename by doing right click on it and select the rename and write a new name, that is contact. Moving to the next step, that is step number 6. Step number 6 is about use get and transform data Power Query Editor to load the rates table from the file E10C2 Rentals.xlsx into a new worksheet. Load the information to a new worksheet and select add this data to the data model. In this step, we have to just import the rates table from E10C2 Rents.xlsx file, and then we have to add this data to the data model. Go to the Excel worksheet, go to the data tab. We have to import XLX file. So select the file and then select Excel workbook. We will select this file E10C2 Reds, import it, and now import the Reds table from this file. So we will select it and load it. Now add this data to the data model. Check this box. Now this data is added to the data model. Move to the next step. That is step number 7. Step number 7 is about rename the worksheet rates. Now we have to just rename the worksheet with the new name rates. Copy it, go to the Excel worksheet. Here we will do right click on it and rename it with the rates. Moving to the next step, that is step number 8. Step number 8 is about use get and transform data Power Query Editor to load the store info table located in the database E10C2 transactions access database into a new worksheet. Load the information to a new worksheet and select add this data to the data model. Go to the Excel worksheet. Now we have to import the data from the access database. So go to the data worksheet and select from database and select access database. So we will select E10C2 transaction file. Now we have to import the store info table. So load it and add this data to the data model. Moving to the next step, that is step number 9. Step number 9 is about rename the worksheet store info. We have to just rename the worksheet with new name, that is store info. So do right click here and rename it with store info. Step number 9 is completed. Total step in this assignment is 17. I have done 9 steps by completing each and every detail given in the instruction of these steps. For remaining steps of this assignment are help in another assignments, exams, quizzes, our entire course covering Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, Finance Management, Information Technology, and more. Feel free to get in touch. Contact me through provided email or WhatsApp given in description and display on screen and make deal with me. I assure you for achieving an A grade in all your courses. Thanks for watching my videos. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the videos. Thank you.